If you use OneDrive every day, learning how to manage your files properly can save you a huge amount of time and keep everything organized. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the easiest way to upload, create, move, rename, download, share, delete, and restore files in OneDrive. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open OneDrive Web in your browser and sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you're inside at your OneDrive dashboard, you'll see all of your stored files and folders in one place. This is where you can manage everything from documents to photos, videos, and folders. To upload files, click the upload button at the top of the screen. From there, choose either files if you want to upload individual items, or folder if you want to upload an entire folder at once. Then browse your computer and select the file or files you want to add. OneDrive will start uploading them right away. This is one of the easiest ways to move your important content into the cloud so it's backed up and accessible from anywhere. Now let's say you want to keep things organized by creating a new folder. To do that, click New, then click Folder. Type in a name that makes sense for what you're storing, like work documents, school files, or photos, and then click Create. Your new folder will appear immediately, ready for you to use. Folders are a great way to keep your OneDrive clean and easy to navigate, especially if you have a lot of files. Next, if you want to move a file or folder to a different location, first select the item you want to move. Then click Move To. OneDrive will ask you where you want it placed, so choose the destination folder or location you want and then click Move. This is helpful when you want to reorganize your files without downloading and re-uploading them. If you need to rename something, that's just as simple. Right-click the file or folder, then click Rename. Type the new name you want to use and confirm it. Renaming files can make a huge difference when you're trying to find things quickly later on, especially if the original file names are unclear or messy. To download a file back to your computer, select the item first, then click Download. OneDrive will save a copy to your device so you can use it offline or share it another way. This is useful when you need local access to a file or want to keep a backup outside the cloud. If you want to share a file or folder with someone else, select it and click Share. Then copy the sharing link and send it to the person you want to give access to. Depending on your settings, you may be able to control whether they can view or edit the file. Sharing is one of the biggest advantages of OneDrive because it makes collaboration fast and simple. If you no longer need a file, you can delete it by selecting the file or folder and clicking Delete. But don't worry if you make a mistake, because OneDrive gives you a way to recover deleted items. To restore something you deleted, open the recycle bin from the left sidebar. Find the file or folder you want back, select it, and click Restore. It will return to its original location in OneDrive. So, whether you're uploading documents, organizing folders, sharing files, or recovering something you deleted, OneDrive gives you all the tools you need to manage your files with ease. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.